Welcome back to the O Show, everything crypto and NFTs every day. I'm your host with the most, Wendy O, and we are going to be talking about Bitcoin price action, because why wouldn't we? It is a Saturday morning, and Sunday morning, and as most of you know, we're going to get that weekly close today, which is going to be absolutely awesome. So let's go ahead and take a look at the entire market. And YouTube's being a little bit weird. I can't see how many concurrent viewers there are on YouTube. So if you guys can smash the like, that'll probably help me get a better gauge on that. So yeah, that would be awesome. So thank you for doing that. Also too, I want to know what you guys are having for breakfast this morning. I normally don't eat breakfast until like 11 or 10. But I know what is it? Oh, it's 9 a.m. Oh, crud. Do I have the thing wrong? I think I have the time wrong. You guys, I'm super, super tired. I think I had this scheduled for the wrong time. Oh, it was scheduled for 10 a.m. That's why it looks all cuckoo. I apologize. I was so tired when I was doing this. I read the thing incorrectly. So that's why it looks all weird. It just looks all weird. Anyways, we are here, so that's probably why there's not gonna be a lot of people in here. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna shut up now. But I want to know what you guys are gonna eat for breakfast, because I'm actually really hungry, and I think I want waffles, but I probably won't get waffles because I'm lazy. Anyways, this is the current crypto market cap over here. As you can see, everything is pumping. Everything looks absolutely fantastic. And that's probably because Bitcoin has held support at approximately $41,000. Avalanche is up 10.7%, which is fantastic. But I want to take a deep dive as to what's happened with Bitcoin. So in the title, will Bitcoin hold crucial support at about $41,000? I'm referring to the weekly chart. The reason why I'm referring to the weekly chart is because that's where our EMA 9 is. And we've been able to hold the support for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. Okay. I'm pretty confident that we will actually close above $41,000 because we're currently trading at 42.3. Plus we had that gnarly swing wick low to 38.6 and we popped back up. So again, this is the weekly, and we've been talking about a very bearish scenario on the weekly. Okay. Taking a look at MACD, I says we're getting ready to bear cross, but we've kind of stopped. And again, MACD is generally a lagging indicator, so you won't see this happen really fast. You can speed up the settings here if you like to, or modify them. Cool. Lots of people do it all the time. But I think I have them at standard settings. But anyways, this does take a while to play out because it is on a larger time frame. And again, each one of these candles are 1 week. Taking a look at market cipher, we printed a red dot, but then we're essentially popping back up. So I feel pretty confident that we're going to stay above the EMA 9 at about 41,000. We opened at 41.5. So I'll go ahead and denote that for you. Currently trading at 42.4. Swing wick high to 42.8. And a swing wick low to 38.7. Okay. So on the weekly, this is pretty bullish, considering that we pop back up. We almost grazed a bit against the EMA 21 at about 37.5, pretty close to that. But again, this is a very bullish structure, especially on the weekly. So right now it's not looking too terribly bad, but at the same time, do remember we're trading a little bit differently because we have traditional finance that is coming into the space. So this is a bullish setup for the weekly. Now taking a look at the daily, daily's actually looking nice too. This is a pretty nice setup. We've got great support here at about 38.6. We're currently trying to break above this EMA tangle right here with our EMA 9, 21, 30, and 50. Okay. So this is actually pretty bullish. This is making me feel happy. MACD is getting ready to bull cross over here. Now taking a look at the 12-hour chart, we're getting a little bit of a pullback, which is okay. Just as long as we stay above this $41,000 area, I think we're fine. And then on the 4-hour, it is looking like a little bit of a correction. So even if we do dip back down to 41.5, I'm fine with that. Again, we've got, how many hours do we have until the close? I should know this, right? All right, we've got 7 hours. So we've got quite a bit of time, and Asia hasn't woken up yet, I don't think. Some of them like to stay up late. But yeah, so we're just kind of balancing here. And even if we do get a dip back down to 41.4, we're kind of fine here. So overall with me, when I take a look at Bitcoin, I'm not feeling nervous or anything like that. As of right now, I don't feel like we're going to get a gnarly dip, just as long as we don't break down below 41.4, the EMA 9, which is going to be about $41,000. Thank you for the heart. I appreciate it. So that's kind of what I'm looking at here. A lot of people are calling for, what is it? I had some people calling for 44,000, which actually does make sense because we've got a pretty heavy area of resistance here, about $44,000. So that would make sense if we do in fact get a nice pump up. But again, like that's my kind of my key target area for us to get crazy bullish. Okay. How do I feel about ETH? I own quite a bit of ETH and I hope ETH pumps as well. Okay. So that's going to be with Bitcoin. I do think that 44,000 is possible this week if we are able to hold above the EMA 9 on the weekly at $41,000. Thank you so much, Rad Dad, for the $5 super chat. I appreciate you. Got the kids cinnamon rolls. Aw, thank you. Oh, thank you so much. That's very nice compliments in there. Spicy Korean ramen. That sounds good. No, I was reading what Christopher said. Thank you. All right. So Wendy, we effing need you so bad right now. Why? What am I doing? I'm just here. I'm here. Let me take a quick look at Ethereum. And again, you guys, I think I'm going to start buying even more Solana. As I'm hearing people say crazy stuff like we're going to see $4,000 Solana. Who knows? We might. I don't know. I feel like I don't have enough. But anyway, Solana's kind of doing what we said it was going to do. It's been ping-ponging in this range between the EMA 100 at $75 and about $104. So we're up balancing above the EMAs and looks like we're heading our way up to about $103, which is fantastic. So anybody that's longing this, you'll probably do pretty well. It's a 12-hour chart is showing a little bit of a pullback, which is fine. 6-hour, teeny bit of a pullback, and the 4-hour is actually showing a bit of a pullback. So maybe we get a move down to like 92, 91, and then get up to about 104. Okay. No, I'm not buying the rumor when it comes to Solana. I just want to make money. I'm literally here to make money. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. So this is Ethereum over here. And again, I've got big bags of Ethereum, not super big, but I've got a decent amount. Ethereum's actually, this is the daily, but let's take a look at the weekly. Taking a look at the weekly, we got a really, really ugly candle, super, super ugly candle, but we've been able to stay above 2240, which is fantastic. Okay. So that's good. We're here. But it does look like we might continue to dip. So I don't know. I'm not feeling really great about the Ethereum chart. It looked bullish earlier in the week. But taking a look at the daily, it's it's showing us a little bit of a different picture. So I kind of want to see where we close. I mean, if we can get a really nice pump above 2355, cool. But honestly, taking a look at the weekly, this is not looking good. Not looking good. So anyways, that's my analysis on the markets. I'll probably post a short for you guys later on. But if you guys do want to trade with me, I do have... if you want to trade with me, I've got the links down below. Remember, not your keys, not your coins. Read the terms of services. And as always, I did post a video yesterday about crypto taxes because that's kind of coming up. I had my CPA Scott do it, so it's going to be on YouTube. Let me see if I can find it really, really quick for you guys. But I highly recommend. This is going to be about the new IRS law or bill that got proposed that basically is indicating that everybody pay. Thank you for the skis. Everybody have to do different types of reporting for the IRS with a $10,000 over a $10,000 transaction. Sorry, my nose is a little stuffy. So what I did was I did a quick intro for Scott. He is my CPA, and I had him explain what's going on with that. I'm not a CPA. I'm not a legal expert. I'm not a tax expert. The only thing I know, and this is the only financial advice I will give you, you need to pay your crypto taxes. You have to pay all of your taxes. You're never going to get out of it. So anyways, it's this video right here. Go ahead and watch it. But anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day, and I will check you later. Bye-bye. Bye, sweeties. Thank you guys so much. And if you guys want Scott's link, it's on CryptoWendyO.com.